In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton VPN on Windows or Mac. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install Proton VPN on your computer. Go to the official Proton VPN download page, download the version for your device, and then run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once that's done, open the Proton VPN app. If this is your first time using it, the app may take a moment to load and set everything up, so just give it a second. Next, sign into your Proton account. In the login screen, enter your account email and password, then click Sign In. Make sure you're using the correct account details so you can access the service without any issues. If you're on a personal computer, this process is usually very straightforward. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can control your VPN connection. Now it's time to connect to a VPN server. The easiest option is to click Quick Connect. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server, which is usually the best choice if you just want a quick and reliable connection. If you prefer a specific location, you can also browse the server list, choose a country, and click Connect. This is helpful if you want to appear as though you're browsing from a different region, or if you want more control over which server you use. Once you've connected, you should verify that the VPN is active. In the Proton VPN app, look for the connected status. This confirms that your internet traffic is now being routed through the VPN. You should also see that your IP address and virtual location reflect the server you connected to rather than your actual location. This is a good way to confirm that everything is working as expected. When you're finished using the VPN, disconnecting is simple. Open Proton VPN if it isn't already open, then click Disconnect. This will end the secure VPN session and return your connection to its normal state. That's all there is to it. Install the app, sign in, connect to a server, check that you're connected, and disconnect when you're done. If you want the fastest setup, Quick Connect is the easiest option, but if you need a specific country, the server list gives you that flexibility. With just a few clicks, you can start using Proton VPN on Windows or Mac quickly and easily.